Hello, we are going to do a tutorial today showing you how to register for classes using the Navigate website. We're going to start off on the Southwest homepage. You want to go to southwest.tn.edu and you're going to go to the homepage. You're going to go to the top right hand corner and click on My Southwest. You're going to need to use your Southwest username and password to log into your My Southwest account. If you do not remember your username and password, you can use the Reset Password and First Time Users link. They will show you your username and you can reset your password. You will need your student ID number for this process. We are going to go ahead and register and log in using your Southwest username and password. And when it loads, if you look on the left hand side, you'll see the student navigate icon. You're going to click on that icon and it's going to open your Navigate website. It's going to bring you here and then it will log you in. And this is your Navigate homepage. If you go towards the bottom of the page, you can see that this student has an unread message. You can also click on the message link on the left hand side. We're going to go ahead and just click view details of this message at the bottom of the page. You see this message says academic plan updates. This means that this student's advisor has sent them an email with some recommended classes for the next semester. If you go ahead and click on that, you'll notice that this email has the student's PIN number in it, and it also has the suggestions that the advisor has given them to take for the spring 2021 term. If you scroll to the bottom of that message, you're going to click on Resolve Suggestions. It's going to pop up with this box that has a comment from the advisor, has your alternate PIN number. Go ahead and write that PIN number down so you won't have to go back and find it once you get ready to register for your classes. You're going to click on View Plan. If you look to the left hand side, you see the suggested changes for the spring 2021 term. These are the classes that the advisor recommended. Again, there's the PIN number or the comment from your advisor. You're going to want to accept all, and then you're going to click on Go to My Plan. When you go to your plan, it's going to bring up your planner, your academic planner in Navigate. This is what your academic planner looks like. It's going to have your major populated right here, and on the right hand side, it's going to show you that for the spring 2021 term, that your advisor has planned some classes for you. So those planned classes are the 3 classes that this advisor recommended for this student to take. So you're going to want to view and edit your schedule.
This brief video will show you how to use Navigate to register for courses. Now, once you're logged into Navigate, the desktop version of Navigate, that's very important that you use the desktop site. Once you're logged in and you've selected which courses you intend to take for the upcoming semester using the academic planning tool, that's the planner tab when you're logged into Navigate. You can use either the search functionality or a template that exists for your program to select the courses you intend to take for an upcoming semester. In this case, I've planned out the spring 2021 term, and I've selected 3 courses I intend to take. Likely I would do this with the help of an advisor who can give input on what courses I should take when. But once I've gotten to this point here and I have my term planned, I can go ahead and use Navigate to select my sections and register for my courses. I'll select the View Edit Schedule option. You'll see the courses I've planned over here on the right-hand side. On the left, you'll see your schedule. So once you've started to select some courses, you'll see your calendar view of your schedule start to come together here, as well as a weekly calendar, so you can look and see what your schedule will look like at different points in the term. You can use this weekly calendar to block busy time. So if you know that you work or take care of a child specific days of a week, you can go ahead and block that time here. And using that information, Navigate will show you sections that work with your schedule. So if, for example, I work Friday mornings and I want to block this as time that I'm not available to take classes that are scheduled for that time, I can go ahead and put that block in place. Now I'm going to choose specific sections of the courses that I'd like to take. Now you're welcome to open up each of these courses here. So for example, in English Comp, I can open this up and see a list of all of the available sections, any sections that are conflicting. Those would be sections that are either scheduled to take place at the same time as other classes I've planned, or sections potentially that are full. And I'd be able to see the seat counts, and I'd be able to register for those if they became available and seats were open. What you can also do is use the CRN search. So if you know exactly which section you intend to take for a course, you can simply type in the CRN code here and it will show you that course directly without you having to scroll through or search for it. So here I've searched for this specific section of English composition. I'm going to go ahead and either view the details if I'd like to see a description for this class or see any other information, or I can go ahead and add that section. You'll now see that this English class shows on my schedule for Monday and Tuesday mornings, and I can see the dates that this course will run as well. And down below, I'll see this list here as one of my scheduled courses. Now, I'm not registered for this class yet. I'm still just planning out my sections, and then we will go to register. I need to choose my times for my Math 1530 and Music 1030 courses. So I'm going to go ahead in here and find my math class. Now you'll see there are 7 conflicting classes. Those are courses that are scheduled to happen at the same time as my English class. So I'm not going to choose from those. I'm going to choose these sections here that work with my schedule. Great. Now you'll get this message over here that says you've scheduled this class. Now, again, you're not registered at this point. You simply selected the actual section you intend to take, and you can see those listed here and that reminder that you're not yet registered. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and choose our music course. Again, I can see that list of courses that are conflicting with either of my 2 other classes. Once I find the one that works for me, I can go ahead and select that. You can select courses from different locations here to see where they're offered. I'm going to, again, choose another course at the Macon Cove location. Add that section here. And great. You'll see this message here that says all of your classes are scheduled, and a reminder once again to register. So I can see my 3 scheduled courses here, and I can see how those all stack up. Now I can do one of 2 things. I can either enter my term PIN here, my registration PIN, or I can hit register and then I will be prompted to input my PIN. So I'll go ahead here and hit register. You'll see this message pop up. This is where you put in your registration PIN. If you don't have it, there is a link here to contact your advisor. But I'm going to go ahead and put in my registration PIN and hit continue. Right now, Navigate is talking to Banner to register you for those courses. Now, once this is done, you'll get a pop-up box that looks just like this. This summarizes what happened and will confirm that you are in fact registered for these different courses. In this case, I registered for all 3 of my courses without any issue. If I had an error where a class had become full, or I didn't meet the prereq or co-req requirements, or some other issue happened, I would receive the error and directions on what I can do to resolve that. But you do get this confirmation here that you've been successfully registered for your courses here. You will then see that these courses are considered registered, and you're able to see them here. And lastly, if you go back to your planner, you will also see that those courses are now considered enrolled or in progress. They are no longer planned, they're actually registered courses.